Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Professor Dr. Rizwan Jamil Qureshi and I'm coming with the new video of Introduction to Information Technology course, and I'm starting lecture number 6. In this lecture, I'm going to discuss about the categories and types of software. So here, first question I will ask you, how many categories of software we have? Any wandering idea? Any wild idea? Okay. There are two categories of software. One is called general purpose. What is called? General purpose. And second is called customized. General purpose and customized. So what is general purpose software? General purpose software is designed according to generic requirements of customers. Generic, not any specific. Masalan, any example comes to your mind? Let me know. Okay. Even you can comment. Like Google. Google is not for any specific customer. Hotmail, Gmail. These are generic applications. Or if we talk about COTS, COTS, C for cat, O for ox, T for tiger, S for Superman. Am I correct? No. So, commercial off-the-shelf system. Commercial off-the-shelf system. Ready-made software, which are developed according to requirements, generic requirements of customers, like ERP systems. ERP stands for E for elephant, R for rat, T for tiger, or P for parrot. E for elephant, R for rat, P for parrot. Am I correct? No. Then, galat. Enterprise Resource Planning System. SAP, not SAP. SAP is wrong. S for Superman, A for apple, P for parrot. System, application and products, the most widely practiced ERP system in the world. German company, and there are so many customers of SAP. They are generic. And Oracle, second example, Oracle Finance, Microsoft Dynamics for small companies, Infor M3, and there are so many. Or in Pakistan, NetSol Technologies, or in the America, Germany, Australia, LeeSoft. It's a complete ERP system. Now it's a financial package. It was designed initially for BMW, but then it becomes generic and they customize for Mercedes-Benz, Nissan, Yamaha, and other companies, not only in Germany, UK, USA, Australia, Taiwan, etc., etc., etc. It's an American company. So that is the general purpose software. Or Gmail is general purpose. Then opposite to general purpose, the second category is customized. Customized, as name is indicated, it is developed according to requirements of a specific customer, like King Abdulaziz University, like Nestle, Unilever in Saudi Arabia, Al-Marai, Aramco, and so on. King Fahad, King Abdulaziz, King Abdullah in Pakistan, Comsats, LUMS, UIT, Punjab University, and so on. According to requirements of specific customer, according to their requirements, for example, the requirements of end users, or the middle management or the top management. Gmail is generic, but it can be customized according to requirements of specific customer like King Abdul Aziz University, even my previous university, ComSets, University of Information Technology. It was also using customized Gmail, and there are so many companies in the world. So SAP is customized according to requirements of specific customer like Saudi Airline, like Almarai, like Al Malki Group, and there are so many examples. So that is a customized. Odus, we are using a registration system, Odus Plus. It is developed according to requirements of King Abdul Aziz University. You cannot deploy Odus Plus in King Fahad or King Abdullah directly. Like LeeSoft was developed for BMW. Then after that, Mercedes-Benz asked them to customize for them. So again, planning, analysis and so on, the requirements are gathered and then it is deployed in Mercedes-Benz according to requirements of Mercedes-Benz. That's enough for today. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum. See you inshallah soon. Assalam.